Dean. I would like to show you the Thomas and Friends challenge. Here are the... This is my second challenge. There's Gordon, Steven, Diesel, Connor, Thomas, Flynn, Percy, and Toby.
All right, let's do this challenge.
First one's off. It's Steven and Gordon. There.
Go, Steven. All right. Good job. Put the victor on the table.
Steven on the table.
Good job, Steven. Dun, 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 dun. Steven won the challenge. Who's next?
Diesel and Connor.
All right, Diesel and Connor. Bet y'all are friends are hoping Connor wins. Oh, look at Connor go. All right, who won that challenge, Dean?
Connor.
Yay, Connor. You could just put Connor over there if you need to, too. Hi, Connor. Good one.
Thomas and Flynn.
Thomas and Flynn. Oh, boy. Oh, and there goes Thomas.
Thomas win.
Thomas. Flynn won. Come on up, Flynn. Come to the victory circle. Who's our next competitors?
Percy and Toby.
Alright, Percy and Toby. Here we go. Whoa. Toby was going so fast. Go, Percy. Wow. Percy won. Good job, Percy. Alright, so who of our victors gets to compete now?
Percy and Steven.
Percy and Steven. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy.
I think that Steven will win.
Steven is chopping pretty strong. Look at him go. Yep, Steven pushed him over to the edge. Good job, Steven. All right. Okay, who's competing next?
Flynn and Connor.
In our semifinals. Flynn and Connor. All right, the semifinal race is with Flynn and Connor, or challenge. Whoa, go Connor. Oh, Connor's pushing. Is the track stuck?
No. Connor's just a little bit nervous.
Whoa. I don't think Flynn's gonna budge.
I think that Connor wins.
It looks like he does win.
Versus Connor. These are our finals.
Ready? This is our finals. This is for the championship. Whoa. Whoa. I've never seen that happen. He just pushed Connor right off the track. Wow. He didn't even push him to the back. Wow. Well, no, he's the victor. No, he won. Congratulations. So who is our winner? Let's get a good look. All right. And our second train challenge. Who's our winner here, buddy?
Steven.
Steven. Dun, 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 dun.